Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video today. Today we are doing our second part of our Mix and Match Christmas card series. These are in the annual catalog. They're all in stock when I checked the other day. They come with a set of cards and envelopes. We have tags, we have sentiments, and images. So we get 2 sheets of each. Our cards, there's 9 cards and envelopes. Now if you wanted to add extra cardstock, you could cut these in half and double your card fronts and then just add a few more envelopes. So on these cards, we have the color and then some gold at the bottom. Now this one, we have the gold down here. On our green cards, we had the gold on the bottom. So a little bit different. Our red ones are the same as the blue. So a little bit of variety there, but what's nice about these is you can do them landscape with the gold on the bottom. You can flip it over and do gold at the top. You can have gold on this right, you can have gold on the left. So very versatile, whatever you want to do. And then the all the ephemera packs. I want to say ephemera, but I know it's ephemera. The ephemera packs are all double sheets, so you get 2 sheets of everything. So if you cut this in half, you can actually have 2 of the same cards. You don't have to think about it. Super easy to do. All right, so today we're going to make our 3 blue cards, and then we're going to make 3 more tags. So these are so quick and easy. These are quick videos this week because they don't take much. Okay, so I had already pulled out a few things for each of these cards. This one I think I'm going to do the gold on the bottom. And then I just pulled out some little sprigs because this is a nice big sentiment. So we don't have to do too much to the card because it's already a good, the sentiment covers a lot. All right. Well, I'll just leave that there and use that to put my card on, or my sentiment on, okay? And then I'm going to just adhere these little pieces down and kind of tuck them under my sentiment there. Super easy to do. I hope everyone's getting ready for the holidays. I've done my shopping. Now I'm trying to clean. All my kids are coming for Thanksgiving this year. We're going to do Christmas on Friday because we have to share the kids now, which I don't like. But I will do it. Okay, so what we don't have a whole lot of blue embellishments. So we do have this Tencel Gems 3-pack, which has this dark blue. And that's what I'm going to use for my embellishments today because we get a little bit of blue. Let's see, I'm going to put a big one there. I'm going to put a big, I'm going to put one big one down here. Let me get under that. And then let's grab a small, and I put a small right there. Isn't that pretty? It's just so simple. Simple and sweet. Okay, let's do another one. And I'm going to use, what am I going to use on this one? I'm going to do, do I want my gold on? Why do I have 2 teddy bears? I think I punched them out at the same time. Okay. All right, I think what we're gonna do is this. I just pulled a few pieces out. So I'm going to lay, all right. I'm having to reach a little bit to reach everything here. And put that there. Let's pop up our cute teddy bear. Okay. And then let's just put that stocking kind of underneath. We'll make our teddy bear the focal point. We know what that stocking is. Okay, then I'm going to take this and lay it down right there. And then we'll pop up our sentiment. Okay. Cute. Okay, let's pull in our embellishments. Let's do a large and a small, and then we'll do another, maybe another small up there. Cute, 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 cute. Okay. Let's see. I had the other day, I just started there were so many pieces. It was almost overwhelming. So I had to sit down and take a few minutes to figure out what I wanted to do. So I'd already pulled a few things out. This is the same sentiment we used before, but I'm not sure. Let's see if we've got another one. I feel like I don't necessarily want to use that one in case I want to double up, and then I can use all of my my same things that I've already used and just do nice, easy cards. Okay, let's do this. Let's use one of these Christmas. Let's do a Merry Christmas on this one. And just pop these out. You just want to be careful because they're very thin. You kind of support it with your fingers as you're pulling them out. Here's the Merry. So we have Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Joy, and Season's Greetings. We have 2 sheets of these, which is really nice. Okay. So we can do a Merry Christmas. Just like that. And then let's see, I was kind of looking for a little, let's see if we have a little banner of some sort. Just a little pop of, oh, here's one. We have this green. Let's cut this in half and then we can make it go a little further. Okay, that looks good. We're just, you know what? We just make it up as we go, right? That's what we're doing, making it up as we go. We have to learn to adjust and adapt. I'm going to line this up right here with that line. That's one great thing about grid paper. It really does help you line up things. Okay, and then, but I believe in eyeballing, so usually I just eyeball everything. Let's come down just a hair. Okay, you know what? That's good enough. Okay, let's pop this on with some dimensionals. For some reason, I can't keep full-size dimensionals up here. I only ever have minis. I don't know why that is. Okay, let's just set. Ooh, doesn't that just look cute? It's just that little pop of green. Okay, let's get our Christmas on here. Get our liquid glue. Okay. And because this is, oh, I've got a clog here. I know this is all going to come squirting out in a minute as I'm pushing on it. So I'm just using the smallest amounts of glue, mostly because I don't want it oozing out, and glue and foil don't play well together. So we're just using the smallest little bits. Okay, we're going to get that centered. I like how the T comes and kind of dots the I. I hate having to find the I on a die if I'm cutting out words, because they just get lost. So I like it when the I is attached. So these are nice. Okay, I'm going to put my Mary over here, I think. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, where did our gems go? Right here. Let's just add a couple. Two. We'll do another small one up here. Cute. Okay, let's look at our cards. Aren't those pretty? So quick and easy. Okay, let's do some tags now. All right, so I pulled out a few tags and some things to go on them. Oh, I put this on there, but now I'm thinking I don't want to. I think I want to save this. So let's take that off. Let's put these skates on here. What do we have to go with the skates? We've got this little snowflake. Let's see. Where's the other snowflake? That is the question. There it is. Okay, that's what we'll do. All right, this tag, kind of vanilla, like a vanilla background. So I didn't put it on my white card, although you could, but it's so sweet how it is, and I just wanted to add a little sentiment, and that's all you need to do because it's already just kind of pre-printed for you, which is nice. So I'm just doing this little sending cheer right here. So cute. One done. Look, that took like 3 seconds, so perfect. Okay, I am going to pop up the skates. And then I'm going to figure out where to put my snowflakes. All right, I'm going to pop those up. Let me just put, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just making this up as I go. Just put a little snowflake there. And we'll put a snowflake down here. And then I've got a sentiment. It says winter wishes. I might just put it at the bottom. Those skates are so cute. I hate to cover them up. So we could do that kind of over here. I think I'll do it here. I'll do it over on this side. No, in the middle. I don't know. I'm going to do it. Just stick it down. Okay. Do I want to, you know what? I might do these fun little kind of, I don't even know what color they are, but these have a lighter blue. Let's just do these and see what it looks like. I think that might be kind of fun for something a little different. Oh, I like that. Cute. Okay. All right, let's do, we've got this pre-printed tag. A lot of the tags, some are white, some are colored, and then some have a little gold on them. So I think I'll do either, I don't know. I'll do the drums. Why not? I'll save those. I have a lot of tags to make, so these pieces won't go to waste. Okay, and then we have Thinking of You. Maybe I'll just kind of put that right at the top. So we'll just kind of put our dimensionals in a little closer. Oh, I had one sticking to my finger. That worked out. All right, let's grab our gold twine. This is an online exclusive. I love this stuff. I will be stocking up because gold twine, anything metallic, gold or silver is my favorite. We have some new in the online exclusives. We also have brushed gold and metallic specialty paper, which is beautiful as well. Okay. All right, let's see if we can tie a bow here. Cute. All right, one more. All right. So I will post a link of supplies that I used today on my blog, and then an ordering link, because when you spend $50, you will also get a kit of cards from my card class, along with an embellishment. So I hope you enjoyed today's projects. I think they turned out really cute. My camera's messing up, but that's okay. Not too bad. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by. I will see you Monday. We'll be doing our 3 red cards and 3 more tags. All right. See you soon. Bye-bye.